Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? We're back to another video, man. You can tell from time, man. We finna be doing a update on my ambient lighting that I put in a couple months ago now. We gotta do some touch-ups, so we're gonna try to do some touch-ups, and then we also got other LEDs that I wasn't even gonna buy for my car because the ambient lighting that came on my car actually came for those, but I didn't want to fuck with it. So I ended up getting a plier and cutting it off because it was too much wire. But my brother ended up ordering some for his car, and he ended up having a quality of 3. So I said, fuck it. He got 3 of them. He asked me if I wanted them. So I took both pairs. I'm gonna be using the other one for something else. But I got this pair right here. And right now we're gonna be plugging it in and fixing and setting up the ambient lighting. So let's get straight to it. I did just get out of work, and I literally got home from work, ate my food, and now I'm here. So I did this ambient lighting. If you watch the previous video, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Make sure you go watch that, learn how to do the ambient lighting and get it on the dash, things of that nature. I did have it all the way running through here, and this all the way running through here. But since I already have that the ambient lighting thing in here, it makes sense to run the other one here. So I'm gonna run the wire from here, and I should be able to tuck it, which is I'm hoping I can just tuck it like that and it will close. I'm hoping, I'm praying. Oh, I mean, worst case, we just have it like that and it's cool. I ain't really tripping. About it. You feel me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the first 2 wires. We're gonna run this, so we got this like this. So if we got this plugged in, let's just plug it in. So it has some type of button, yes. So we got some type of, you feel me? Make sure they work too, if anything. I never even tried to use this cigarette outlet, to be honest with you, so let me try. Okay, so they work. So now we're gonna plug it in like this. Obviously, we're gonna want the longest cords to be in the back. Hold on. Let me set this up like this. Which I'm thinking, hopefully, it was recording the whole time. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to cut it like right here. And I'm gonna have to tuck this wire through here and here, so I can hide the wiring. What I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna get the LEDs put up here, and then the 2 in the back. I'm gonna see how the wiring is gonna look from there. I'll get back to y'all when I can. Give me a second. All right, y'all, we got the driver's side up. Got it here. And then the back seats are weird. The back seats, I had to zip tie it because, let me show y'all, there's nothing for it to stick on. There's literally nothing here. There's like any type of plastic for it to stick on, so I had to zip tie it through the little brackets that's down here. So now I'm gonna do the other side over here. Then we still gotta fix the door panels and that shit over there. Godly. I honestly thought this shit was gonna be a 20-minute job. It turned into an hour-long job and shit, bro. Every time an easy job should be an easy job, it's never an easy job, y'all. Then I gotta be watching my fucking surroundings and shit. Okay, hopefully. we can get this done. First go, hopefully. Okay. All you need is one more lily right here to straighten it up. I don't know if I can see it, but hoping for the best. Where the fuck is the other zip tie? There it is. So now I just gotta make it straight. I see there's a bracket here. Let's hope it gets straightened out. Okay. Not blood. As you can tell, zoom out a little bit. I should have zoomed out when I did. I just realized. I found the one. All right. As you can tell, it's right here, zip tied up. And then this side, literally all I gotta do is a peel and stick. So let's do that right now. Peel and stick. We gotta watch where we put this one at. I think I'm gonna put it like right here. Makes sense. Oh shit. I lied. Right. Gotta go like right here. Oh. Shit. It's that same furry material, bro. Fuck it. Let's try it right here and hope for the best. Now this shit don't even want to stick. I don't want it right here because then you can fucking see it. Lily doesn't even want to stick nothing now because the fucking fur got on it. I had this exact problem in the other 300. Why are they putting all this fucking fur right here? I didn't want to stick. So probably what I should do. Fuck me. Let's see if it sticks here for fucking me with some pressure. Gotta be like right here. Is there any way I can... Hold on now, it might be sticking. I lied. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got it on using these things. Which honestly, if I remembered I had these, I probably wouldn't even use the zip ties for the back seat. Now it's on there. And I honestly might have to use these for my brother's car. And I'm damn sure gonna have to use it when I get my other 300 back. So yeah, these just came in fucking clutch. I'm gonna have to find out where I could buy some more of these to keep them around the house. But now, all the lights is on there. And I'm gonna tell y'all how I wired it up because it's different from what I showed y'all. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have it running out of this fucking box right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a splitter that I can put in this adapter where I can run both these lights here. And that's how I'm gonna run both these lights. Let me know in the comment section if there's a good idea or not. Let me know if I'm capable of running both at the same time and it won't kill my battery. I mean, I think I should be fine. So that's how I'm going to end up doing. I'm just going to buy the splitter where you can put in the cigarette outlet and you can run 2 cigarette outlets into 1 splitter. So that way I'll be able to drive with both lights on at night. And now what I gotta do is I just gotta fix this. And these right here, I can close this now because I'm not gonna be using this outlet. Let me see something. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using this outlet no more. So I'll just be able to fix this. I gotta fix this piece, fix a couple pieces on that panel, fix a couple pieces there and there. Then I'll be done with the lights in my car, man. The main thing I need to work on right now is getting my tent, but what the fuck? I really am trying to figure it out money-wise. Like, I have the money to do it. Money is not the problem anymore since I've been back to work. But I'm trying to save money to do something, which I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not really talking about it or anything like that, but trying to save money to do something big and major, but there's just not enough money in reality for me to try to do what I want to do before a certain timeline. So I need y'all to watch these videos all the way through so I can get monetized and I can get some money off these videos, man. I really need y'all to lock the fuck in. I am a couple 100 hours of watch time away from getting monetized, so I need y'all to watch the video all the way through and show some love, man. This video is basically done. I'm gonna buy the splitter when I go back inside the house, and then I'm gonna end the video off with just showing y'all both of the lights on at the same time at night. But I'm gonna end the video off here. I'm ending the video off here of me just talking to y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And we are on the road to getting monetized. We are very, very, very close. Like I said, lock in before I tweak the fuck out. The more money I got, the easier this car content is gonna come, and the more content you will get, because I'll have time just to film content. So lock in before I tweak the fuck out, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Wow.
Shorty love the dick. We be arguing, but she started it. In relationships, I guess it's a part of it. Man, I hate this shit. She be playing hard to get. For that nigga, why he do you wrong? But you pretty to be here alone.